Yeah.
I get exotic with the melodic tune. I get hypnotic with the moon, but you got to put me down soon. I flip a sideshow if you come my way. Up, down, and around, even sideways. I'm about as ready as the light can get. We can go all out. I ain't afraid of the sweat, but yet I bet you got the techniques to freak a girl inside out. What's that all about? Can I have some of that? You gotta put me on. Word around town is your 9 men strong. I wanna be put on in the worst way. Since the first day, I think it was a Thursday. You be that brother that I wanna sink my teeth in. Make me wanna ask, where the hell you been? I like the way you be with all that personality. But I got flavor too, you need to get with me. What you going through? I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Oh, yeah. It's true. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. Oh, yeah. He was born 20 years ago, just a pimp toes. Every day new clothes. Look at the cut coupe pose. On 3, got the heat so bluffing. Slanging fancy because it's more than 20 ducats. Struck it, kinda rich, now his pockets looking straight. Slam the D's on the benzo, pancake by the gate. Mom's looking straight with her half, she got great. Lounging in her new home, that's about the state. I'll be your cornmeal, won't tell. You can get it when you want it, even though you got chicks all up on it. Don't matter, cause brother, you fly, I can't lie. I've been macking daddy from the corner of my eye. Now, baby, bring it on, don't be frontin' on your baby boo. All I wanna know is what's up with you. How can I get with you? Seems like you got a hold on me. It must be voodoo, cause baby, I want you. I wanna be down with you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down with you. Oh, yeah. Day and night. And it don't stop. I wanna be down. About yay short, about yay tall, about so big, about so small, about this length, about this width, about this flow, about this gift. Instinctly and me right up your alleyway. Skip the moet, let's chill with some Alizé. Enough stressing all day. Let me massage your mind as my mental starts to play. A ghetto sauce you are, and I'll be your sexual chocolate bar. And I gotta keep strong for the cause, and you gotta keep me strong for the tours. Brother, man, and me, damn the family. What else could we be with no one understands us but we? You were the first to tame me. Big teeth. I'm out. I wanna be down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. It's day and night. It's true. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down with you. Hey, here we go, here we go, here we go now. And it's on, yeah, and you don't stop. Brandy is in the house and you don't stop until the body rock keep it on. And you don't stop, you rock on to the shore.
Greetings, people. How you all doing? Welcome to another volume of your Intercommunal sound service. Yeah, it's another day, and first, just want to say I got the news this morning. One of my favorite artists passed away, Tony Allen, a Nigerian drummer, musician extraordinaire. So my condolences goes out, to Tony family, everybody. And funny enough, my recent radio program on Reform Radio, I did a feature on him, yeah, and then got the news this morning. So yes, but today's show is just all about some female vocals, female energy, and that's what I'm bringing. And just tracks I really, really enjoy and, quite poignant in my life, whether it's the first time I heard it or the first time I saw the video, that kind of thing. First track, that was Brandy, and that was a remix of I Wanna Be Down, and that featured the legendary MC Lyte, YoYo, and the Queen Latifa. Yes, through the hard way, yeah, as they would say, So I'm just gonna play some tracks and have a little chit chat here and there. So just enjoy and welcome to another volume. That's the sound of Wunmi and a track entitled Commercialism, a crossover. So Wunmi, big up yourself. And as she said, to commercialize, you compromise. Really true and really great lyrics. Yes. So I'm just going to drop some tracks. And as I said, it's all just some female vocals today. And I'm going to take you all the way down to Jamaica with this next track. So just enjoy the vibes coming straight at ya.
Yo, me have a treat you like a goddess. Yeah, step up in the place now with my crew and with my posse and watch them drinking while I'm sipping and one thing I hide the mix of classy and my own Africa side I'm gonna fool and run a fussy man. Yeah, them I wonder who's so classy and Dul Sanga, Ban and G and Nini Versace and my friend them in the place them looks so hot and looks so splashy and before you violate you better wash your hands. Jamaican girls got style and flair. We talk the world like everywhere. Jamaican girls got grace and guns. Them boys I love can't get enough. Your girls possess a whole lot of honor like the beef from the hive, the rub, the sugar from the bunny. Ain't got no funny as Morgan and Johnny, cause I eat we use to dig up them money. The actual come from the island, it's a tropical sunny. Who I left from foreign, same wanna meet my mommy. But tell him take it easy, cause my man can become me. Me rip your intestine from your tummy. So what we do? Shake up booty cause we authorized to do that. Can't say with him because we know say you're not true that. Jamaican girls all about because I you that. All the heads and ends for the trends will pass through that. Some say the matter when we stop for interview that. Some say the girls will have a clue we are what's news that. Can't say you act like the resources to prove that. How we find the family of the day like a Jamaican. Got style and flair. We talk the world like everywhere. Jamaican girls got grace and guns. Them boys I love can't get enough. Shirley go take the money, not them movie. Lady Saga rock the world and left them groovy. Grace Jones even though she kinda spooky, as she do the deep tune, they come pull up to my booty. Lisa Anna's on the world with her beauty. Lies somewhere take them on like Tina Lucy. I'm a rock the place, stop flipping rhymes is my duty. Jamaican girls cut up the world, I never yet them say them Gucci. Got style and flair. We talk the world like everywhere. Jamaican girls got grace and guns. Them boys I love can't get enough.
That's the sounds of Terry Lynn and Johan Hugo with a thing called Jamaican Girls. Yeah, man, letting you know they got style and flair, you know. Yeah. Hold on, people. Now, you all realize you're on a thing called house arrest. I wonder if anybody ever really look at it this way with all what's going on. And how come is Sweden, which is a super cool place, not bothered by all this and they just, you know, still live normal, day to day, keep everything running as normal. And they say if anyone wants to catch any form of virus, let them catch it, that kind of thing. And they seem quite fine. No issues, no nothing. But just to say, you're all on house arrest. No matter how you put it and look at it, that's what it is. Things we didn't have to deal with, in a sense, you know, it's now put upon us, but you don't even realize, and you as the, you know, regular civilian accept a lot of things. Because I remember when they used to tag criminals, and now people, people even allow themselves to be tagged with the same method that's used on criminal without even realizing. Yeah, just food for thought and letting you think. Yeah, we are all on house arrest. I'm going to play something from one of my favorite movies, Beat Street, and a beautiful track. Keep it going on the weekend. tracks. And move the beat street. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Still got that energy, that vibes, you know, and bring back so much memory for me every time I listen this. And I still watch the movie occasionally. I got it in my collection when I have my retro days, my retro Wednesdays when it's just pure old school. Take me back to my high school era. And speaking of Beat Street, the other day I realized something, and this is how you know, how real work and stuff get taken away from us, you know, and as black people also, because I was looking through something regarding Beat Street, and it stated the producer as David Vickers. Now, much respect to Mr. Vickers, but Harry Belafonte is the core producer of this movie, guaranteed. And you know, when this was advertised, I think it was I came across it on iTunes, and it made no mention of Harry Belafonte, who was the core producer of this movie and made it happen. So this is how credit, especially in regards to black people, get stripped away. And if you do not know, this thing goes amiss. So I'm pointing that out. And this was while I was scouting iTunes. Yes. So if such is the case, iTunes, please give the real credit where it's due. Harry Belafonte of this movie, Beat Street, was the core man, the man who made it happen, so to say. And I know Orion Film Productions is part of it. I remember this thing so vividly. All the actors, you know. So I'm just saying out loud. And that song was Cindy Mizelle, This Could Be the Night. And I remember when this section came in the movie, it was Don Ray Chung. You know, scene came in right away and it was well done. So, like I said, but give Harry Belafonte his true credit, iTunes or whosoever. He is the core man behind the movie Beat Street. Anyway, I'm going to play some tracks. And before I play this next track, I'm going to mention something in particular. For years, I didn't even remember this track. I didn't hear it for years, you know. And when I say years, I mean years, won't even go in details. And the first time I heard it, again, after so many years, you know, is when I decided, okay, it's my time to visit the UK. Yeah, when I decided it was my time to visit the UK now. And when I came to the UK, it wasn't for my talent, really, or feel like, as they claim, it was paved with gold, that kind of thing. No. I came to the UK for a very particular reason. And few of you might know the real truth, but it has to do with my ancestry. And I never said anything to anyone. I just did my own little thing in my own time and do what I gotta do. While in my brain, I knew what I needed to achieve. And like I keep saying, there's a real interesting story behind all this. But when I decided to take my trip to the UK, it's time now, I came across this song as I embarked the British Airways plane and sat in my seat. And while the plane was waiting to taxi, I decided to put on the headphones. And there was a little radio going on, and then this song got mentioned and started playing, and I'm like, wow, you know, I haven't heard it for so many years. And on my first trip to the United Kingdom, sitting in a British Airways, I heard this song, and I have never looked back since. It's in my collection. I still remember the music video. It's a beautiful music video, and the artist is a very good dancer also. And that's what I loved when I saw the video way back, and we're talking way back, you know. It's well choreographed, it's a beautiful piece, and I love the song. Here goes. Beautiful sounds of Kate Bush and running up that hill. Yes, and like I keep saying, and I've got my own little phrase, music. It gives a sense of identity, time, and purpose. And for me, that resonates true, because even just listening this track, so much things and my photographic memory, you know, just take me through the phases of when I heard this song. From the very first time until I heard it again after so many years not hearing it, not even remembering it. Heading to the United Kingdom, where I learned a lot of great lessons from my trips back and forth, and also met a lot of great people. You have a few negative ones still, but along the journey, met some great people. Next track, all the way out of Germany. Just enjoy. Tunes on a talk, your intercommunal sound service. Listen without prejudice. That's the lovely sound of Yvonne Chaka Chaka and a thing called Thank You, Mr. DJ. And before that, you heard from Saada Bonaire and the track entitled You Could Be More Than You Are. Yes, in my little mix there. So, as I said earlier on, ah, gosh, we are all on house arrest whether we like it or not. So that goes to show now you don't have to do anything to be put under house arrest. Yeah, no matter what. When I did the first set of tunes and a talk, I did on, a little section on euphemism, how you can use words to soften down other words. For example, when they say, expat, that mean immigrants, friendly fire, that mean another, soldier shot his own comrade, so the terminologies. So for lockdown and all of that stuff, that's another even term for martial law, to whether you like it or not. And, for me, even part of this feels like a bit leading to dictatorship kind of stuff with all what's going on. Some of it just doesn't make sense, but it just goes to show you don't have to do anything to be put under house arrest. Yes, which leaves me to ask this question. Are you in control of your life? Yeah? I'm going to ask you again. Are you in control of your life? Hit me back. Let me hear what you got to say. Yes. So my final track to you is just a really beautiful, relaxed track. And this is from the movie Waiting to Exhale. And this is from Chante Moore and the track entitled Wey U. And what I love about this, she's not saying a complete set of words. She's just formulating word sounds. And when you listen to the song, you'll see what I'm saying. But it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So enjoy, ease the way. Let your mind take you to somewhere beautiful, relaxing. And like I always say, take the time to be kind to each other. And now is the time. Yeah? If you have ever really wronged someone, now is the time to sort it. Not if someone has wronged you, I'm saying if you have wronged someone or others, now is the time to correct it. Now is the time. Until then, sayonara, one love, universal love. Take care, people.